Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I saw this picture that uNosipho actually shared, and this was a picture that was actually posted by Fashion Assistant. Now, Fashion Assistant is a huge page. It's got a huge following. It's got about 1.2 million followers, you guys. And what they do, they basically repost pictures of celebrities or repost pictures of really well-known people to their page, something like that, to give them some sort of exposure. So as you can see from the screen, that they have shared pictures and videos of really big people. So what these pages normally do, since this is a fashion page, so if you're into fashion or makeup, they'll normally send you a DM and they'll ask you to either send you like 5 pictures of yourself, and then they will share it to their page just for exposure. This is a big deal, you guys. Remember uNosipho, I remember actually by the time I first got to hear about uNosipho, her following, you guys, was like around 11K. And I remember there was a time where I think it was around 5K or something like that. But it was really low, you guys. Now, uNosipho's followers are currently over 60,000, around 63,000 people following her, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know what? The relationship she had with Mpumelelo, even though it's over, it really did give her exposure, you guys. One thing I must say about uNosipho, guys, she's got style, you guys. I love the way she dresses. I think she dresses so well for her body. And when I saw her for the first time and the way she dresses, I'm just like, what is she doing? Because she dresses so modern, you guys. Like it's almost as if she respects like modern, sexy type of vibes. And when I saw her, she's like, what is she doing with a guy like Mpumelelo when she looks too decent for my liking for a guy like Mpumelelo. Like the way she looks, she deserves a guy nje oziphethe kahle. Plus two, like it seems like naye uziphethe kahle. So I was quite disappointed when I got to see her profile. So fashion wise, she really does dress well, you guys. So I don't even think it's a far-fetched thing that this page actually asked to share her pictures. But I am saying, guys, that the exposure that that relationship gave her, listen, this girl could possibly even make a side hustle out of this whole social media thing. Hey guys, this whole social media thing, I don't know, some people are entering into relationships for the wrong reason for the wrong reasons with guys like Abo Mpumelelo, just to get exposure. But all I'm saying is that at least, even though it ended in tears, at least she got the exposure that I guess a lot of a lot of youth these days, they on social media, given the way she posts, I want to believe that she does want that exposure. So at least Mpumelelo, like he left her with something, guys, which is that we all know her. And I don't think people are gonna forget her like that. Remember uNompumelelo till today, you guys. uNompumelelo, she's known. She even opened up a hair business, which seems to be doing fairly well. Even on our comment section, some people still call her uMaSibindi or umselegu and all of that, which she doesn't like. But all I'm saying is that the effect Mpumelelo has is a lasting one, because I mean, izingane zesithembu, the Mselegu name is a big thing. So kudos to uNosipho. I really hope that she does the best and makes the best out of it, guys. Social media, the way I've been talking a whole day about social media and making money, but there's money, Pago, Instagram, guys. You just post your pictures and then a brand will recognize you and be like, listen, you're so good at posting or putting things together. Can we collaborate with you? Can we pay you for something? So yeah, guys, anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.